how to make a rolling tray set and take your rolling trays to the next level by creating a rolling tray set profitable handmade business that you can be successful with and go viral with on social media and bring your customers to you and hit views like this on social media. Wow, you've come to the right place, girl. I blew up on social media by making these dope rolling tray sets. And when I tell you people love my gadgets, they love them because they are one of a kind. You cannot find my rolling tray sets in stores. And so that's why they go as viral as they do on social media. And so I decided to create a membership dedicated to other resin beginners out there, right? Other artists that's looking to make these dope rolling tray sets, but don't know where to start, where to buy your supplies, how to promote yourself, all of that good stuff. I'm here to help you with it all, okay? Now I know you're probably wondering like, well, if you're doing so well in sales, why would you want to start your own competition? And I'm here to tell you, there is room for all of us to be able to make and sell the same art. We got to get out of the mindset of feeling like we have to keep things to ourselves and be greedy, okay? Look at my request list on Instagram of people wanting to buy my rolling tray sets. I'm talking hundreds of people, and I couldn't keep up. It was to the point where I was sending my customers over to another artist that I knew made the same art so she could take the sale as well. And we were all making money together, okay? And so I'm here to share the love with y'all because I know there's so many people out there that have been wanting to actually sell this kind of art, sell these type of rolling tray sets. But I find that a lot of people steer clear of selling these rolling tray sets because of getting flagged on social media and not knowing how to get around it. So I created a membership dedicated to people who want to sell rolling tray sets like this and don't know where to start or where to begin. I show you everything there is to know on how to promote yourself professionally, okay, and how to drive your sales to you. So if you're interested, comment "I am interested" below and come and check out my page. I have so much more art and so many videos and tutorials as well that you can check out. And yeah, come and join your girls membership because we're making a family over there and you don't want to be missing out on that. So